In this video, I will show you how to create a course in Skillshare. To do this, go and open up Skillshare and first go to the Teach section. And if you haven't created your teaching account, you will need to do that first, and then you will get here. Now from here, you can then simply click Create a Class. So click Create a Class, and that will redirect you to the page where you can start building your class, which is basically a course. So from here you can see video lessons. So if you're teaching your first class on Skillshare, they recommend reviewing Get Started with Teaching, so you can do that if you want. But from here you can just go and upload some videos. So I'll just upload some videos right there and then wait for them to finish. In the meantime, you can go to class details here, so select the language it's in, then set a title for it, a class description, a project description, choose the level of skill, so beginner, intermediate, advanced, or all levels. And then you can set the discoverability and findability, so first set the primary category, then a relevant subcategory, and you can also add more categories, and just fill all of this out. And once it's then finished uploading right here, you can then click submit, and then Skillshare will review the course to see if everything is correct and if the quality is good, stuff like that. And if it is, then your course or class will be listed on Skillshare and people can start watching it and you can start making money from it. So that's how to create a course on Skillshare. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.